Hey, my name is Jesse. I work here in OCRVCenter and I'm the electrical technician. So I was told to give you guys a walk around of a few things that we have going on now. And this is typically like a job that comes to us from a customer that just doesn't really want to buy a brand new coach because one, it's very pricey, and two, they don't get what they exactly want in the coach. So come on and I'll show you. So this is a mid-2000, like 2010 cross-country coach. Basically what happened here is the customer bought this at a cheaper price, of course, and he wants to basically use it in the desert area and the dunes. So what he asked us to do is that he doesn't want to run his generator all the time while he's out there, but he still wants to use his TV, all his 110 outlets, all that good stuff. So we opted out to give him a new inverter, a 3000 watt inverter, which is going to power up all the inside. And we also decided to, since he wanted to run everything inside at the same time, we needed to upgrade his battery system. We took out those two Group 31 batteries, which are basically nothing compared to what we have in now. We have 4 L16 batteries, and that's going to allow us, or the customer, to run all his stuff inside without running the generator. So that was one thing. So the next thing was that we needed to keep those batteries charged. So what we went ahead and did is we installed a solar system. We have 390 watt solar panels up there with an 80 amp charge controller. On a good typical day, this thing is going to be charging at least 50 amps of charge constantly. That's good because when this customer goes out with his toys, he parks his coach, he takes his toys out running, and when he comes back, the batteries are fully charged because they've been charging all day long. So when he comes back, he's going to be able to run everything inside with no generator. And of course, him being out at the desert, there's no shore power connection. So that's what he wanted, and that's what he's going to get. So that's on the outside here. So let's just go up on the roof and show you what the solar panels look like. Alright, so we're up here on the roof of the same cross-country coach. These are the 390 watt solar panels that we installed. Like I said, this should at least give them on a typical day a 50 amp charge constantly. Just keep them nice and clean and they'll be good forever, I guess. We're also added his, removed his air vents. He wanted new ones in there. So that's the bathroom vent. We just replaced it with a new one. He had power there already, so that's a power vent. This one here we're going to replace with a power vent unit. Now the issue here is that he has no power here in this area, so I'm going to go inside and just run new power to this unit so that when we put the new one in, he's going to have a power vent on this side too. So this is the top of the coach. Very simple, but works great.